So at this point, let me get everyone quiet, Leon, please. Thank you. At this point, the stage where we're at, everybody, how many of you guys got your references printed? Perfect, you're ready to go. So these are a bunch of perspective references that I collected. Ooh, I kind of really like that house. Okay. Ooh, and I could put that house in a swamp. And then I could put ghosts in it. We just don't know. The world is open to us, okay? Look at this guy right here. Yeah, let's do it. Okay? So I have maybe a swamp, old building kind of scene going on. Everybody seeing this? Let me see if I can make this go vertical. Ooh, even better. It froze. Okay, it's fine. So remember when I was drawing for all of you, and you told me to draw a hospital or draw a Walmart or draw whatever it is that you wanted me to draw, and I used the rules of perspective. That's what we're going to do here today. Okay? Now I am noticing that this building. How do I get out of this?
I think your screen froze.
Turn it off, turn it back on.
Oh, we're just going to have to read. Okay, do you guys see it? Oop, there he is. Haha! Get out of here. Okay. So it is on the water, which means that this cannot be above the horizon line, you guys, because water doesn't float. It sits on the ground, okay? But what I could do is I could draw this drawing in such a way. Can you guys see my whole paper? No. Okay. I can draw it in such a way that maybe the water's down here. So let's put the horizon line down here. Notice I am not using, I'm going to go ahead and use a Sharpie so you guys can see this. It's going to get dark. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get the horizon line. I'm going to get the two vanishing points. And then I'm going to put this front corner way above, and I'm going to draw stilts on this building. So I'm going to take the sides down to the vanishing point. Okay. I'm going to get the right side going down to the right vanishing point. Okay. And then I can actually see at this perspective, I can see the bottom of this building because there's only stilts back there. Okay. I can draw those stilts going in to the water. If it's gonna, I always start with the front corner. Okay, that front corner is gonna go right here. This front corner is gonna go right here. This one will be lined up with it. This one will be lined up with it. Okay, and then like I could draw some water underneath here. I can pop out a porch over here, just using all the rules that we have learned. I can make maybe like an awning for this porch come out. There's the bottom of it. And then what I could do is, if this is the full roof right here, does everybody see this? I could draw a dotted line and a dotted line. I can find the middle of that. And I could go straight up and down. Ooh, straight up and down. And maybe this is the very peak of that house, the very middle. Okay? I can make it go to the front corner, to the back corner, to the other corner. Look weird, but it'd be there. Okay? And you guys see how I'm just continuing to build whatever it is I want to build. I can put a row of windows in here. I can put window covers on them. Ooh, let's do that. Okay, so I could put whatever I want to put in here. I could make this into an archway if I wanted to. I could make this side into an archway if I wanted to. The peak would be right here. Okay. I can, I could pop off something off the right side even if I wanted to. Like, what should we put off the right side? Maybe this is a wraparound one. What do you call it? A wraparound porch?
A merry-go-round porch?
Kind of.
Or a roundabout porch?
Yeah, like a I think they're called wraparound porches. Okay? So you guys see how I'm just starting to build. Now, at this point, if I was using a pencil, can I get everybody's eyes up front? At this point, there's some things that look crazy. So I'd be like, okay, maybe I need another stilt over here. Maybe I need to move this stilt over here. I need the back stilt over here. And I could adjust things. Does that make sense to everybody? I could put like a big giant, one of those big like Tatamona looking trees up front. I can start to put in smaller ones that look like they're farther away. Maybe it's open to the ocean over here. Maybe there's like a slip over here and there's like a boat. Like a party boat. What do you call those? Pontoon boats? Or a dock or something? I don't know. Maybe this is a dock going up to it. Okay? So what we're going to do today is we're just going to use whatever references we've collected, and we're going to start to gauge how big this building is. Does everybody understand what's happening? Everybody get it? Now, the whole point of doing this is to do it in pencil, which I didn't do. So I might look at this and be like, okay, I like it, but maybe instead, maybe I want to put the horizon line up here, and I want to put the big house down here. Okay, and I could draw it a different way, and it's still on stilts. I could put, the roof over here. I think I want an A-frame maybe. I'm not sure. I could find, this is a different type of roof, y'all. I didn't show y'all how to do that. Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it.
Forget about it.
Mine? I did move it around, didn't I? But it looks like I'm looking down at it now, and so now I would be able to see more of those old-timey, what do you call those, plants that grow out of the ground? Trees! Those guys. I could have a big one right here.
A specific species is actually called a mangrove tree.
My blood sugar's low. I don't know if you heard my alarm go off. I need to run down to the...
I can go fetch it, so.
No, you're sweet. I'm going to go grab it. So this is going to help you. You guys can do as many as it takes to figure out how big you want your house or your building, where you're going to put all the things in your image. Are you going to have a bridge? Are you going to have a walkway? Are you going to have a fountain? Are you going to have
a waterfall well?
A waterfall well. What all are you going to have, and how big is it going to be?
A waterfall.
Okay?
A waterfall well.
All right, I'm going to give you guys, we have about 25 minutes. We have 25 minutes to do this, okay? And then I'm going to call you guys up. I'm going to look at what you did in this 25 minutes. I'm going to look at your thumbnails, and I'm going to look at your references and your brainstorm. Bobo?
Can we listen to music?
Yeah, you absolutely can. I'm going to put on some music for you. But I'm going to go down to the office and grab my milk. I'll be right back.
One question.
Yes.